Ever wonder why your matcha always turned out clumpy no matter how much you whisk? It could be one simple step you're skipping. Stick around to see how you can turn your matcha disaster into velvety green perfection. Hi there, I'm Kimmy, your matcha crazy friend and the certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my cozy little matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos about how to make matcha drinks and food, make sure you poke that like button, and that shows me you want more similar videos that I can make for you. So go ahead and poke that like button. Clumps in your matcha ruin the texture and the taste. No one wants terrible clumpy matcha. There are 3 main factors causing the matcha to clump. So let's jump right in. Number 1, sifting. Matcha particles are extremely fine, between 5 to 10 microns. During the stone grinding process, the friction generates static electricity that causes the matcha to bind into larger clumps. When you open a new can of matcha, it's exposed to humidity that causing the binding happen sooner. If you put this into the bowl and add hot water, it won't break up completely. It will leave some grittiness in your cup, resulting in a lack of creamy, smooth texture. A metal sifter is used to help break up the clumps before they're added to the bowl. There are different types of sifters, different overall sizes, the mesh size, and also the support on the bottom. Some matcha needs sifting and some don't, because some are pre-sifted at the factory, which causes the matcha quality to decrease, and some are not pre-sifted. How can you tell if the matcha is pre-sifted or not? The rule of thumb is to sift them all. If you're looking for an authentic sifter specifically for matcha, you can check out the link in the description below. Number 2, whisking technique. Even with sifting, there's still a chance that you end up with clumpy matcha if you don't whisk well. After adding water to the powder, many people jump right in to whisk zigzag. This will leave some powder stuck to the side and the bottom of the bowl and form into clumps when pouring out from the bowl. Make sure to always incorporate the matcha powder with water first by gently scraping the side of the bowl in circular motion. Once all the powder and water are well incorporated, we can start whisking zigzag for straight up or mixing into a silky paste as a base for latte. If you find any value in this video, please support us by poking the like button and leaving matcha in the comment below for YouTube algorithm. It truly helps me growing this channel. So I know that you like the content, so I can make more videos for you. So right now, poke that like button and comment matcha. Number 3, storage condition. Light and moisture can affect your matcha because moisture can make your matcha clump up more easily. And no matter how expensive your matcha is and what tools you use, a bad storage will ruin your matcha. Make sure to keep in an airtight container if you open the bag, or push out the air in the bag, then close the zipper tightly. Put in the freezer or fridge. Keep it away from any light source and don't use a clear container. Doing all of this will ensure your matcha stay greener, fresher for longer. Okay, there you have it. Now you keep those 3 things in mind, you will never have to worry about clumpy matcha again. Now I went through a lot of things in a short period of time, and there's no way I could cover everything in detail. But if you're curious and want to know more about matcha, the history, the production process, the common mistakes for making matcha, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave the comment below, and I will see you in the next video.